Good morning, students. Today again I am here in front of you with the subject GK, and today we will discuss two chapters. Chapter 4, Factoscope, and Chapter 5, Endangered Animals. Okay, Chapter 4. Chapter 4 is Factoscope. Okay, so given below are the facts about some unique animals. So we will read them about them. Okay, so first one is about the dinosaur. Okay, so all the prehistoric reptiles known as the dinosaurs. The word dinosaur comes from the ancient Greek word dianos, means terrible. The dinosaur word comes from the Greek word dianos. It means terrible. Okay, all the dinosaurs were not carnivorous. Some of them were herbivorous. Some are carnivorous. Okay, scientists can tell this by examining fossils of their teeth and claws. How they identify who are the carnivorous and which one are the carnivorous and which one are the omnivorous. So meat eaters had long sharp teeth for tearing flesh. Okay, while plant eaters had smaller teeth to chew the branches. So all dinosaurs were not carnivorous. Some were herbivorous and some were carnivorous. Okay. B, second one is about the fish climbing perch. This one is the fish climbing perch. Okay, fish climbing perch also called the walking fish. It is also called the walking fish. They are fish climbing perch can climb trees. It can climb trees. They are found in the Far East. They can cross land by spreading rows of thorn like spines on their gills. It can live without water from 6 to 10 hours. Okay, third one is skimmers. The shape of the skimmer beaks, it is the skimmer. Okay, the shape of the skimmer beak is like that of scissors. This is because the lower beak is much longer and fatter than the top beak. It is the beak. So as it flies over water, the skimmers dip its lower beak below the surface. When it touches a fish, it snaps its beaks shut. Okay, now fourth one is the hog-nosed bat. It is found, hog-nosed bat is found in restricted part of western Thailand or areas of Myanmar. The tiny hog-nosed bat is not much bigger than our thumb. It is on the thumb. So it is not much bigger than our thumb. Bats are the only mammal that can fly. They usually sleep during the day and come out at night to look for food. They sleep during the days and come out at night for the food. Now next chapter. Endangered animal. Chapter 5, Endangered animal. Now what are the endangered animals? Any species that is at risk of extinction because of sudden rapid decrease in its population or a loss of its critical habitat. So many projects have been launched to save these animals, such as Project Tiger and Project Elephants. So given below are the pictures of as well as the clues of some endangered animal. So you will find the name of that animal. So first one is It is the national animal of India. It is a member of the biggest cat species. It has a pattern of dark vertical strips on reddish orange fur with a lighter undersides. So, which animal is this? This is tiger. This one is tiger. This is the national animal of India. Tiger is the national animal of India. Second one, this animal has a musk pot in its navel under the skin. So this is much hunted for musk, which is used for making perfume. So which animal is this? This is musk deer. Musk deer. Okay. And next one is, this animal looks very sweet. Number third. This animal looks very sweet and resemble the bear to some extent. It has black patches over its eyes, ears and legs. It feeds mainly on the bamboo. Which animal is this? This is the giant panda. This animal is the giant panda. Okay. D, the next one. This animal is a monkey, but its tail looks like that of a lion. Its natural habitat had been the forest of Nilgiri in India. So due to the cutting down of trees, this species is endangered. So which one is this? This is the Nilgiri langur. This animal is the Nilgiri langur. Now last one, this animal. This animal is found mainly in India. It has long and spiral horn with 3-4 turns, which distinguish it from other animal. It runs very fast. Which animal is this? This is hog deer. Okay. So students, today we have finished 2 chapters. Okay, chapter 4 and 5. So those students who did not complete the chapters will complete chapter 1 to 5 in your note. Okay, and learn, and you will read these 2 chapters also. Okay, complete your work and send it in your homework group. Okay, good day students.